Hey you guys, before we go any further, I just wanted to say that I'm doing a giveaway right now on my personal Instagram account at Brooke Miccio, but also with Gals on the Go and my co-host Danielle Carolan. You guys can have the opportunity to win 5 $100 Visa gift cards. And I know this is a really weird time and we just want to give back to you guys in any way we can. So go head over there for the details. Sorry for the delay, you guys, but what's up? I started the day by getting ready and then doing an Instagram live. It was super fun. And now we are just chilling back in the comfy set. I have been watching it, don't worry. But I hope you guys are all doing well. Subscribe if you guys are new here. This is just gonna be another vlog. I think you guys have been enjoying them, so I'm just gonna stick with it. I just posted my first Instagram TV video of a DIY of bleach dyeing. If you guys are interested, check it out. I didn't do this one myself, but I did a very similar one. That was only $18 from Amazon. I have makeup on because we went on Instagram Live, Danielle and I. It's a Saturday. I don't really know what else is up. I've just been doing some stuff on my computer, like uploading videos, IGTVs, the works. And I think I'm gonna chill in a little bit. We're gonna get some food. We're gonna order in from a local restaurant. We've been trying to do that a little bit. We do like a mix of like eating at home and then ordering in. Just trying to stay positive overall. I think I have some Zoom happy hours tonight. Happy Saturday. My mom's in her Everjay PJs.
I love these.
I know, I've been wearing mine a lot too. Oh my gosh.
But I feel compelled to say that I just showered and they're on. It's not like they've been on all day.
No, but they're so soft.
My loungewear.
My loungewear. And the scrunchie. Oh, we're wearing the same slippers too.
Oh, I love them. Best Christmas purchase ever.
Oh yeah, we're wearing our bracelets. Okay, we ordered from the vineyard in our town and we got wine. Look at this, it's a cheese board. I have to document that. That's exciting, isn't it, Mom?
Baguettes?
Oh my God. I'm a loser. I FaceTimed Morgan, Kenzie, Keaton, and Danielle and drank some wine with my family like I showed you guys, and now I'm headed to bed. Tomorrow will be just a chill Sunday, so I will vlog then. I put on my new favorite night serum though. I really like this one. I've just been using it. It's the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. And that's why my skin's a little red, because it has AHAs and BHAs and it's really tingling and going to work, but it makes me feel good. And in the morning, my skin looks good. So good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. All right, we're making a little lentil soup quick. It's not like a full cook with us. We're like improvising and stuff too. Yeah. I found this recipe online. Yum. And we're improvising on the broth.
Yeah, but I'm happy to be supporting my LYFT chicken broth, bone broth.
This is what we're using. You could get it online, right? On QVC.
We're gonna go like this. Okay, we're gonna make sure that that's sealed. We're gonna cancel this. I just go like this.
Gotcha.
There you go.
Do you like this specific pressure cooker? Is this
I'm
like a really
fan.
good one?
I'm
Okay.
a fan of it. Put it through a little bit through the immersion blender, so I kind of got it to be a little less chunky.
Taking a bowl. Ooh, lentil soup, you guys. I love soup when it's like a rainy day like this.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I love
And
it.
I have to tell you, good call on no salt added. It's
Salty?
plenty salt.
Yeah.
Not salty, but it's plenty salt.
Look at that.
Can I?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take. It's just
We
like
don't even know what it is.
It's like a soft. It's like it tastes like a butter, but it's a cheese. It's very.
This is the leftover from last night. So we have like a goat cheese, we put some berries. They gave us like that compote, I guess, last night. I feel like that is.
That's a preserve.
How do I pronounce manchego?
Manchego.
It's not how you say it. There's only one N in it, so that's not the correct pronunciation. It's
Manchego? Manchego?
No. Okay, so this is the correct pronunciation. It's say it. I can't.
Manchego.
Manchego. Okay, that's what I'm pretty sure that's what that is. And then what do you think that is? Like a white cheddar?
Pecorino Romano. Sal, is that what you would think that this cheese is? You have to tell everyone that I cut it in triangles.
Yeah, my mom cut it up. Didn't get too much done today, but it happens. It's a Sunday. I showered. I let my hair dry naturally. What else? Well, you guys saw before we cooked. Oh my gosh. I just realized the house across from me, they have their blinds open and I can see directly into their house. My brother and I are gonna go pick up a pizza for dinner from the local like pizza place. We like called it in and like paid over the phone, and then we just go in and pick it up, which is really nice and easy, and we'll have a salad. We've been doing that lately. Love a good long on pizza slice. If you know, you know. I'm gonna throw on a sweatshirt. I'm wearing my bleach sweatpants. The order, I got white sweatpants, white sweatshirts, and more black ones so that I could like work on those this week and make them for like friends and family and stuff, and those arrived. So I'm feeling really good. Those will get done maybe like tomorrow or the next day. We have a whole nother week of this quarantine. They actually just extended everything in New York till my birthday, April 15th, so another few weeks of this. Hey you guys, it's the next day. So this vlog was a whole lot of, well, nothing. Let's be real. I have something in my eye. Can you see it? I don't know. Shoot some pictures for a brand for Instagram, and then I just cleaned my room. Actually, I had a pretty productive day, but I just didn't really film too much. I wanted to do a little Q&A with you guys, I guess, to kind of end off this vlog, just because I feel like there wasn't that much content in it. So I asked you guys on Instagram at brookemicciobusiness. All right, let's see what the questions are. I'm kind of nervy. I knew that there would be like a bajillion questions on dating. How are you dating? People are saying like, how are you talking to people? Are you still finding matches on the dating apps? Blah, 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 blah. Yeah, I mean, that's a great way to like talk to people during this time. I've been using a lot of FaceTime. I always share things before I'm ready to, so I'm gonna try not to do that this time of my life and just say that I'm fine. And yeah, dating apps are like really, really lit right now. If you guys wanna hop on one, I would definitely recommend Hinge, Ship, Bumble. Those are 3 really good ones. If you're just looking for people to talk to, obviously you should not be meeting up with anyone during this time. I am not meeting up with anyone. Like I said, using a lot of FaceTime. It's good because I get it. We all get like kind of bored in isolation too, especially if you're like quarantined with your family. Like I haven't seen anyone my age in like 3 weeks now, so it's a little weird, but it's nice because you can FaceTime and connect with people on dating apps and stuff like that. Are you still planning on moving to NYC? Yeah, honestly, I'm in a really weird state right now because my lease is up mid-June. Who knows when this will all be over. I'm hoping that I'll be able to go back to Boston like May. Then I would have like a month there before I would move, and that's just not really like enough time really. So I'm probably gonna extend my lease or like re-sign another temporary lease or just do month to month. I don't really know, for a few months. So that's my plan as of right now, is just like stick it out a few more months in Boston. Well, not stick it out, but like enjoy my summer in Boston. But who knows how long that will be. A lot of you guys are asking for tips with online classes because I think a lot of you guys transition to online school if you're finishing up college. I took a lot of online college classes in my day, and my biggest things with those, you can go back and watch my college vlogs. I have like little tips in those, and honestly I was rewatching some of them and they're pretty good. So not to brag, especially my senior year vlogs. Anyways, I think my biggest tip with those is to take them seriously and take it as if it's a regular class. So make sure your workspace is really clean, like, you know, get out your notebook, like be fully prepared. Don't be like taking them from your bed. You have to find that motivation, you know, like wake up a little early, get that cup of coffee going, and like sit down and be ready to do your work, like inspired and like centered. I did a video on like work from home routine and tips and stuff, so if that would be helpful for you guys. But also the thing that I like to always remind myself is like, what is it right now? It's like beginning of April. So it's like, remind yourself that the end is so near. Like what, you only have like a month and a half more of like grinding for at least this semester. So if you're in a class you don't really like or something, the end is so near. So like just stick it out till the end. Yeah, I think people just assume that online class isn't as serious as regular class, which I've definitely had my fair share of those classes in college where I'm like, wow, this is like an absolute joke. But if you guys are in a position now where your class is being transitioned to online, it probably isn't going to be that same way. So like take it seriously and just know that like, I always had to remind myself, like if I put the work in, the results will pay off. And I know it's really hard to find that motivation if you don't have it, but like you gotta dig for it then. How are you playing Sims and not letting it take over your life completely? I haven't been playing Sims. I've been playing Animal Crossing, and I'm really like, after a little too long, like an hour or two of playing, I'm like, all right, I gotta go do something. So I try not to let it consume my life. Towards the beginning of this whole like corona situation, I was really bad about that, but then I realized that like I still need to produce content for you guys. I still want to produce content for you guys, and just I feel so incredibly lazy those days where I genuinely am like doing nothing, like playing video games all day. When those days pass by, I'm like, what did I do today? Oh, I literally played video games the whole day. I feel so low about myself. So I just know that like by doing something, I don't know, like I haven't been really even working out that much, but just working in general, like doing other productive things, that's more productive than playing video games, which I think there's still so much time and like a place for those, but like not taking up all of my days, because that's just like, I can't be doing that. Not a question, but Aries season, yeah, my birthday's in like 2 weeks, so I guess we're having a birthday party here this year, which I'm totally fine with. I'm not like, luckily, like I've already had my 18th birthday, 16th birthday, 21st birthday. Like this isn't a monumental birthday by any means, but like I think everybody wants to celebrate their birthday to some regard, so it kind of sucks. I'll probably be doing like something on Zoom for my birthday. Are you scared? I'm scared. And like a lot of questions about the news and stuff. I'm honestly, I don't want to freak anybody out, but like I'm very scared. especially watching the news. It's like, it just gets scarier and scarier every day. I have started to monitor my news intake and just watch it, limiting hours that I watch that too. I have like notifications and all that stuff on, and usually we watch the evening news every night, but I used to like wake up and like watch the news, and then like halfway through the day watch the news, and it was just like a lot. And now that it's gotten so heavy, I am honestly really scared. So my biggest thing is just like gonna try to stay in as much as possible. I don't even like go to the grocery store anymore, really. My family just does that. Not that like I'm like, you guys go, but we're not going on unnecessary grocery runs. Like, that's not happening. We're being really strategic about this, just trying to stay safe. And my heart goes out to everybody that's like personally been affected by it. It's starting to, well, it's honestly bad here on Long Island. Like, it's at the point where it's now like family, friends and stuff have the virus, so it's just really hitting close to home and really, really scary. You just hear like horror stories about people who it just got so bad so quick. So I'm like really, really nervous. Honestly, health stuff in general already freaks me out, and I'm really bad. I'm like a hypochondriac. Like, I can convince myself right now that I have coronavirus. I don't think I do, but like I can sit here and be like, oh my gosh, I have these symptoms, even though I don't have any symptoms, but I just am like that. So it definitely makes me like, I can give myself anxiety over it, but I try not to. Yeah, I'm just thinking about everybody affected, and if you guys are out there working, like, God bless you. You are truly an amazing human. And I think that's where I'll end this video off, because this is really depressing. Stay safe, stay positive, and yeah, try to get your extra sleep, take vitamin C. That's all the stuff that I'm doing. But I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you all super soon. Bye.